Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be testing, sorry I'm putting my coffee down. I'm going to be testing out all of the new BOXYCHARM products that I got for April. So if you're confused about my lipstick, just keep watching. I am going to be testing out all of the products from the April box. This was gifted to me by BOXYCHARM. If you want to see what's in the April box and more specifically what the hell is on my lips, then just keep watching. Okay, let's get into this box. So the first thing I have nothing on my face right now besides skincare, moisturizer, SPF. So the first thing in the box is a primer, which is perfect. This is from the brand Touch and Soul. I don't think I've ever tried this brand before, but I've definitely heard of it. And I know a lot of people like it. So this is the Icy Sherbet Primer, silicone-free and cooling effect. And the packaging is gorgeous. I love a good primer. So this is what the packaging looks like. Lock your looks in place, keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. Silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. So it retails for $32. And we're gonna try it out. Rosy. It's very pretty. Definitely very cooling. It feels kind of like one of the tulip primers that I have that I'll show you guys in a second. And it's actually one of my favorite primers. So I really like this. Obviously, we will see how makeup wears on top of it, but it feels really nice. I'm not super picky when it comes to primers, so I feel like I'm pretty easy to impress on that front. But it reminds me so much of this Tula Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel. It has like the exact same consistency as that, and this is, like I said, one of my favorite primers, so I think I'll really like this. My skin feels cold and nice and refreshed, so I think I like it so far. But so far so good, and a $32 primer is not cheap, so I'm happy about that. And then really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys, because I have not tried this yet, and it is a body wash. Or body cleanser, and this is from the brand Terre. And let's see what this is about. So I will put this in my shower and I will try it. Infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. I love a good body wash. Ooh, that smells nice. Really clean and almost like herbally. So I will definitely try this out. Okay, I'm gonna go put my face makeup on, and then we're going to start on the eyes because I do have an eyeshadow palette. So I will be right back. My face is all done. I will just quickly show you guys what I used because I feel like my base is really, really nice today. I'm really into it. So I used this Milk Sunshine Skin Tint, the Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade 12. I set that with this new Kosas Breezy Cloud Set, or it's called Cloud Set. The shade I have is Breezy, which is my brother's dog's name. I love her so much. And then I used the Ilia bronzer. So that's that. And then I am going to get right into the next product in the box because it is a Natasha Denona palette, which I love. I have another one of these right over there. And then I have her big Safari palette as well. This is the Ayana palette. I freaking love all of these shades. They're like the perfect everyday eyeshadow colors. So I'm very, very happy because I know I saw some other people get a Natasha Denona palette with really super bright colors, and that's not really me. So I'm really, really happy that I got this one instead. But this retails for $48 for this little guy. And I know her eyeshadow palettes are expensive, especially the bigger ones. So I'm gonna do a quick little look with this. I'll speed you guys through it, let you know how it performs, even though I have another one of these palettes, so I know I'm gonna like it, but let's go. The eyes are done. I freaking love how this look turned out. I love a cool toned eyeshadow look. I feel like that's unpopular opinion, but I love cool toned eyeshadows. So these basically blend themselves. It was easy peasy. This look took me like 2 seconds, and I just realized as I was doing it that this is a special edition palette created exclusively for BOXYCHARM, which is very cool. I love it. I will definitely keep using it. We have 2 items left in the box, and one I am not excited about because I actually swatched it, but we're gonna test it out for the sake of this video. So let's move on. I'll save that for last. So I actually really wanna try this. The Eloise Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. And I love these in the summertime. These like body oil type things that just give you that like shimmery, wet sort of look. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very pretty. I love this. I wonder if I could use this on my face. So this is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas on the face and body for a dazzling buildable glow. This transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin, and this retails for $38. So I am actually gonna apply this as a face highlight as well, and then I'll put some maybe just on my chest, see if we can get a little nice J-Lo glow going here. I don't want too much to come out at once. Come on, baby. So, I'm just gonna apply that to the high points of my cheeks. Can you see that? It's actually really pretty. It feels slightly oily, but not like oily to the point where I wouldn't want to put it on my face. That's really nice. It's just like a wet little glow. It looks legitimately wet, which I love. I love that look. So I'm gonna apply a little bit to my chest here and see what we can do with a little bit more. So I'm just gonna rub that in. I love putting these things on my chest, like when I'm going out, or just see that? Your skin just looks so healthy when you wear stuff like this. I have the Fenty one. They actually just came out with a new one, but I love these body oils. I will definitely keep using this. This came perfect timing for spring and summer. Just get that nice, healthy glow from within look. So this is definitely a hit for me. Let's move into the last item in the box because I'm not sure about it. Okay, so the last item is this, and it is a Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick, and this is a metallic, which makes me super nervous. And I opened this up when I first got the box, and I swatched it, and I was confused. I was really confused. So let's read about it. Artisan baked pigments and rich moisturizers saturate lips with creamy, vibrant color that feels weightless and lasts all day. Nice. A curved bullet shape allows for a single swipe application, providing long-lasting, high-impact wear. And this retails for $21, but that's the issue. Like, that all sounds good. That sounds great, fabulous, but this shade is called Broadway Glitz. Let me just show you. It looks like a dragon. Like, it literally looks like the skin of, like, some creature. I don't know, man. Let's see. If you swatch it, it's cool, but where am I wearing this? If we're putting it on, we're going for it. It is creamy. Oh no, what is this? It feels nice. I just personally don't know where I'm wearing this. It really does feel nice though. Do I look so stupid? I mean, obviously there's a little bit of glitter in it, and you can feel that when you kind of rub your lips together, but not bad. I feel like I would probably really like this in a different color, but. So that's gonna wrap up the video. The box is empty. I loved everything except for the lipstick, which I'm still just mildly confused about. So I don't know if I will wear this again. Okay, let's go through everything. So the Touch in Sol Primer, love. Obviously I gotta keep using it to see how my makeup wears throughout the day and all that stuff, but I loved how it felt on my skin, so A+. The Natasha Denona palette, obviously a hit. I will definitely continue to use this. The Body Glow Illuminator, amazing. I love it so far. I like it on my face. I like it on my body, which is awesome. You can get a lot of use out of this. perfect for spring and summertime in my opinion. And then what else did we get? The body cleanser I did not try, but I will let you guys know if you're interested. That's a brand that I've never heard of, so I'm excited to try something new. And then the lipstick, you know, I mean, it feels nice. So those are my final reviews of all of the products. And then we are going to just quickly add everything up. So the total was $161, which is amazing. And you pay, obviously I say this all the time, but you pay a fraction of that for the box every month. It's so worth it in my opinion. You're getting $160 worth of products, and to love a majority of the items, I feel like it's super worth it. Like this I will keep using every day. This I'll use all the time. This I know I'm gonna use all the time. So I'm super, super happy with the April box this month. Definitely think you guys should consider checking out BOXYCHARM if you're into trying new makeup and skincare products yourselves. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and testing out some new makeup. And on that note, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.